This is Eric Mother, Mother.com. It is July 2nd, 2019. Let's take a look here at BYND, BYND. For some reason, the stock seems to be coming into my radar a lot. What I want to discuss here is this understanding that the RSI is very close to moving to all-time lows. That's a major risk. If we take a look at the MACD, one of the MACDs is just about to drop below zero for the first time, and more importantly, we can see a move to all-time lows. So, as you can see from the title of the video, there is increased risk whenever an instrument moves to all-time lows in the MACD and RSI. Now, keep in mind this is a short-term chart in terms of time frame. This is the daily, and for an IPO that just been trading, this is now going into the third month. Started trading early in May, and we can see, given all the data, the daily chart just about to move the MACD and the RSI to all-time lows. So the risk here is elevated. The key to watch is this recent daily closing low. If the stock goes on to crack below that price, that's not going to be a good sign. So this level to watch here is any break below 140.99, which is the daily close right there. Price confirmation by moving below this price would be confirming that the RSI and MACDs are moving to fresh all-time lows, which is going to suggest a big time move to the downside is in store. Keep in mind, let me add some color here. We also know that we can expect a huge drop if the daily goes on to break below RSI 50, and also we can expect a massive plunge whenever we see this confirmation of the MACDs dropping below zero. That's it for now. Otherwise, Eric Mother, Mother.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ECS. Yes. Blue.